Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can setting the decimal places in Google Spreadsheets on mobile. So in here I have this decimal numbers that I want to set into only, for example, two numbers behind the comma on decimal. So what you need to do is just using the round formula. So here I'm going to write in here, so just double click, and then here I'm going to write the formula. Sorry, let's click around, and then here use this and then enter the value in here is the number that you want to set the decimal. So I'm going to click on this A3 column, and comma the places is how much numbers behind the comma that you want. So for example, here I'm going to go with 2, so this one 2, and then close it, then click on check, and just like that you can see the decimals will be rounded with only two numbers behind the comma. And if you want to autofill, you can just block it like this and then long press on it and click on autofill, and just like that the settings will be set for all of these numbers. And that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.